Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight. This popular asymmetrical horror game pits one powerful killer against 4 resourceful survivors. As a survivor, your main objective is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map to power the 2 exit gates. Once powered, you can open them and escape. The killer's goal, however, is to prevent any escapes by finding, downing, and sacrificing all 4 survivors to a malevolent force known as the Entity. When playing as a survivor, your primary task is to repair 5 generators. Each generator takes 80 seconds to complete by yourself, but working with teammates speeds up the process significantly. You'll also need to rescue your hooked allies and heal injured teammates. Utilize environmental objects like pallets and windows to create distance from the killer. Remember, stealth is your best friend. Avoid being seen and work together to achieve your escape. Playing as the killer involves a different strategy. Your main objective is to locate, injure, and down all 4 survivors. Once downed, carry them to one of the many hooks on the map and sacrifice them to the Entity. Patrol the generators regularly to interrupt repairs and apply pressure. Each killer possesses a unique power, like a chainsaw or a hatchet, which is essential for tracking and catching survivors. Master your killer's abilities to secure a 4-kill victory. To enhance your Dead by Daylight experience on PlayStation 4, take time to customize your controller settings. Adjusting camera sensitivity can significantly improve your ability to look around and react quickly. Playing both survivor and killer roles will give you a deeper understanding of each side's strategies and weaknesses. Familiarize yourself with the various maps and their unique layouts, including strong looping areas, to gain a tactical advantage in every trial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.